Are you weary of feeling bloated or battling acidity? You're far from being the only one. These digestive troubles impact countless individuals each day. Thankfully, the right dietary choices can truly transform your experience. Let's dive into the foods you should consume to alleviate acidity and bloating. This knowledge is vital for your overall wellness. The first step is hydration. Sipping enough water significantly aids your digestion. It helps eliminate toxins and keeps your stomach feeling full. Aim for a minimum of 8 glasses every day. Next, prioritize fiber-rich foods. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supports digestion effectively. These foods also help prevent constipation, which often leads to bloating. Think about adding ginger to your diet. This potent remedy tackles various digestive concerns. Sipping ginger tea can calm your stomach and alleviate acidity. Dairy products can sometimes cause issues. If dairy leaves you feeling bloated, consider trying lactose-free alternatives. Almond or coconut milk could be excellent substitutes. Select lean proteins such as chicken and fish. These options are easier to digest and minimize acidity. Cooking methods like grilling or baking keep your meals lighter. Stay away from fried and processed foods. They can exacerbate bloating and acidity. Instead, prepare meals at home using fresh, wholesome ingredients. Herbal teas can offer sweet relief. Peppermint and chamomile are soothing for your digestive system. They can diminish discomfort after meals, leading to a more relaxed stomach. Keep a food diary. Identify which foods trigger your symptoms. This awareness empowers you to make healthier choices moving forward. Don't forget about portion control. Overindulging can cause bloating and discomfort. Eating smaller, more frequent meals may be beneficial. Above all, don't rush through your meals. Taking your time fosters better digestion. Enjoy your food without feeling rushed or stressed. To wrap it up, stay hydrated, prioritize fiber-rich foods, and opt for lean proteins. Avoid fried foods and listen to your body's signals. For a healthier relationship with what you eat, begin making these adjustments today. Subscribe for more insights, and let's embark on the journey to improve digestive health together.